Welcome to SyncForce. I'm Paul Oudenhoven, Sales Director. SyncForce Circular PIM is the only solution designed to handle real-world challenges of packaged goods manufacturers. Packaged goods manufacturers have two big problems: managing complex product data and sharing it efficiently. Most PIM systems can't handle all the details like packaging, logistics and legal requirements in one place. Without the right system, companies rely on spreadsheets, slow processes and risk non-compliance. On top of that, customers and governments ask for more data than ever before. Teams struggle to update multiple portals and spreadsheets by hand. SyncForce makes it easier by automating data management and data sharing. It cuts admin work by about 60%, speeds up product launches by more than 20% and ensures full compliance, all with a smart workflow that simplifies the process. If you want to make data management easy, improve workflows and share data with less effort, SyncForce Circular PIM is the right choice. Let's take the next step together.